I arrived here many years ago, but they welcomed me like one of their own. I remember that we produced 1 or 2 pieces a day. They were our own little creations. Since then, we have been continuously growing, and throughout a process of constant innovation, have evolved to become a leading company in our sector. We achieve this by working with a commitment to present and future society, taking care of what matters most to us, people. In the beginning, we did everything in a very craftsmanlike manner. And although we now use cutting-edge technologies, our essence remains the same. Each new project is a new creation which must be treated with loving care and dedication. When we receive orders, we treat them as if they were our children. We look after every piece so that it grows, gains strength, and is ready to go out into the big wide world. The satisfaction of a job well done is the force that pushes us ever onwards, towards a future in which we will continue to grow together, as we have until now, as a small, great family.